Can we check all group chats in Messenger? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can check all the group chats in our Messenger. Now, channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing is open up your Messenger app. After you open up your Messenger app, you can browse through your Messenger app. You can check out different features here, and under the chat section you will see your groups and your DMs all together. Now if you head over to your menu, you can see that there are different options, but there is no option which compiles all of your groups together and shows you the result. So you can check it out. You can head over to different settings, you can head over to different archives, your requests, and so much more, but you cannot find a place where you can just see all of the groups and only groups. So yeah, that is all for the video. I hope this video answers your question of if you can check all group chats in Messenger or not. Thanks for watching guys, that is all. Stay tuned for more.